Welcome back to another tutorial of WP Phoenix. Well, from the creators of Astra Themes, one of the fastest and the greatest theme in the WordPress, let's call Market, we have WPTEMPLATOR. What does WPTEMPLATOR does? It actually saves your site by sections or by pages. What I mean with it, and back on time when you were trying to save a section, you actually had to download it to your system as a JSON file, and this is what you pretty much will be getting, just an Elementor with the date and .json. No, with WPTEMPLATOR, what it offers, it's like from Elementor, it saves you by sections. Let me show you how this great tool works, but first of all, what you have to do is you have to sign up into WPTEMPLATOR, get free access, click it on it. When you're there, you're gonna see this section. It says Templator free access, early 100%. You're gonna fill it up, all of this information. When you're done with it, it's gonna throw you back to your account, where you're gonna have an option to see downloads, API keys, purchase history, manage templates, edit account, and logout. So let's go back to the main one and let's go to our first site. So obviously you need to have installed Elementor in your site. We're gonna go with the save templates. We don't have any save templates, so let's add a new template. Let's call this one a page, and this page is gonna be called menu 1. Let's create a template. Okay, in here it's up to you how you want to edit. I'm gonna put Elementor canvas so it actually takes all the site parts from it. Let's import one of these ones. There you go. Let's say that I'm just creating this page. Okay, so I'm trying to see if this page, all right, this page, it's done. I'm done working with it. Let's publish. When I have published this page, it saves in the back of it, of my system, save templates, and it's right here, menu 1. Like I said, back on time, what you had to do with it, it's download it, where it says export template, and it will download it as a JSON file. Well, with this plugin, let's add a new plugin. Let's download it from here, downloads, and here you have to download it. Okay, I have already done that. So let's go back to the site, upload a plugin. Let's upload the plugin WPTEMPLATOR. Let's install. Let's activate it. And what this plugin does, it adds another section where it says save templates. It does a section that's called import from cloud or export to templator. If you want to export to templator, here you go. It's gonna pop up, activate API key. Let me show you a little bit. If you want to import from cloud, let's say in the fresh site, it's gonna tell you, oh, you don't have any templates in the cloud yet. Why? It's because you haven't activated the key yet. So make sure that if you're actually doing in a fresh site, I'm gonna show you that you activated the key before you try to import to a new site. Okay, we got copy our key, export, activate the key. Let's put the key, activate it. It's activate, perfect. Let's go to templates, save templates, export to templator. It's called menu 1. And the best part of it, it's like it actually gives you a chance to take a shot from the site that you're doing it. Let's say that you're just exporting like a little section of it, so you don't really have to go crazy with it. Just take like a screenshot from that little section, so you actually have as a record of what you're doing. So later on, you know, oh, this section belongs to this one, this section belongs to this one. So it's so much easier to do it like this. Okay, we have done that. Let's export it. It's gonna export into the cloud. What is exported, it's doing it, so it says that we can close it. And also, like I told you, it lets you do with the pop-ups too. So for the pop-ups, obviously you need to have Elementor Pro installed and activated. I already installed it. I'm gonna activate my Elementor Pro. It is gonna create pop-ups here. So let's go over here. Let's create another one. Let's create a new pop-up. Pop-up, select section. Let's call page 404. No 404. Create template. Perfect. Let's select this one. Let's insert. I'm not gonna do any modifications or anything on it. It's just for like to show you how it actually does perfectly. Let's say that you're done with it. Okay, let's add some conditions. Entire site. Now let's go to singular. Let's go to 404. Beautiful. Let's click on next, and let's select this ones. Let's click on next. Okay, save it, update it. Hurry, your pop-ups are live. Okay, it says that the pop-up has been updated. So let's go back to our site, save templates, and in here publish is going to appear the no 404. Let's export it again to templator. Let's put a 404. Let's say in a screenshot, let's take this one. Perfect. Let's export. It has been exported. Okay, so if you want to see what you have exported in here, all you have to go do is go to manage templates, and in here it's going to tell you the people that are in your account. So at this point I'm the only one, and here are the sections. This one was the previous one that was doing it. View templators. Here is the 404. Here is the menu one. Okay, so for a fresh site, obviously you're gonna have to get another one. It's right here. We're gonna import it to this site, and this site we have nothing, as you can see it. Let me switch the language. I'm sorry for that. There you go. All good now. So in templates, save templates, you have nothing in here. So let's add the plugin first. Perfect. WPTEMPLATOR. Okay, it says that it's already in the system. I probably already installed it. Let's activate it. Here we go. Save templates and import from the cloud. And in here, if you have put your key already, it's gonna let you import the ones that you have saved it. As you can see, it shows you by pictures. Let's import this one. Okay, so just finished importing. It's right here, menu 1. You can actually view this section. Here is how it looks like it. You might be okay, it looks kind of different. Obviously you have to edit with Elementor and make sure that you make the adjustments that you can normally do on the site. In this section, we're gonna go to Elementor Canvas. We're gonna do it like this, and here we go. Update, and let's preview the site. Let's preview the page. This is how it looks like. It imports and exports everything the way that you want. Okay, now like I said, for the pop-ups you can do the same thing. Over here you obviously need to have the pop-up activated. So let's import the pop-up. This one, it's important. Beautiful. Let's take a look. It's right here. Edit with Elementor again. I will put Elementor Canvas. Perfect. Update. Let's preview this thing. Here we go. This is how it looks like. Alright, like I said, it doesn't really have any restrictions or anything like that. At this point I was testing of how it will work with Elementor, with the pop-ups, but it works perfectly and it doesn't give you any type of issues. Alright, that will be it. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Leave me any comments, any type of request that you guys have it, so I can be working on it and improving myself. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.